Your feet aren't just going wherever they want to go, sliding all over, getting you hurt. We're going to be talking about traction mats. Now, on pretty much every PWC ever made, there is some form of like a rubbery, foamy type mat where your feet go that is a kind of a non-skid surface so that you can stand up, sit down, do whatever you want, and your feet aren't just going wherever they want to go, sliding all over, getting you hurt. So the problem is, after years and years of abuse, exposure to sunlight and water and things like that, sometimes the glue tends to separate from the gel coat underneath of those mats. You need a way to stick those mats back down. I'm going to show you the best way I've found to do that. Now, if you leave your jet ski outside all seasons of the year and you're putting 400 hours on it, like a rental, they're going to peel back up. There's basically no way around that. If you're a normal person that's only putting a summer's worth of time on it, this will stick them down for years and years. You'll never have a problem with them again, most likely. But if you are literally beating the tar out of these mats, they're gonna eventually peel back up, but you can just stick them right back down using the same method. So let's take a look at what we're gonna need. So some guys may tell you that this part isn't necessary, but I always take some 80 grit sandpaper and kind of rough up the surface. Like with this, I've got this mat that's kind of peeling off, and it's got this loose glue on there, and so you can take this stuff and like it peels off. It's like a fabric-y layer almost, and so I like to take and scuff that off at least enough to get rid of the big loose bits that are going to make it lumpy and nasty. So you don't need to go crazy necessarily, but try and give the surfaces something good to adhere to. Make sure that it's not just going to peel off as soon as you're done. Then you're going to need some acetone or some other strong solvent, something that can clean up all the dust and dirt and grit and wax and everything else on there. Now, next is a matter of personal choice. I've heard some guys say that this 3M 90 high strength spray adhesive is perfect for this. Oh, here comes George. George can explain the difference between this and what I'm using. Come here, George. So what I have always used to put down traction mats is this DAP Weldwood contact adhesive that's in the red can. Has to be the red can. Don't get the green stuff. Get the original red can DAP Weldwood. This stuff isn't that expensive, and a can like this will probably glue down 1,000 traction mats. It doesn't take much to do this. Take a clean rag and your acetone. Go ahead and wipe down everything with that acetone. When I say everything, I mean both sides. Get all of the gel coat side down here, and then go ahead and do your mat. Now that we've wiped everything down, we're going to brush on our Weldwood with our acid brush. We're going to put a decent coat on here. Don't go too heavy, but don't go too thin. Decent coat on here and on the mat. Wait for a minute for everything to kind of tack up and get a little sticky, and then smack it down and make sure that we take our time and line everything up during that smacking process. Oh, yeah, look at that. Yeah, we're getting tacky now. So now we're going to guide this into position where we want it. With all the lettering back here, we got to make sure that that all sets in happily. That it's all lined up. And just kind of press everything down. Take your time. Line it up right where it needs to be. Stick it down. In some cases, you may need to apply a little bit of weight to get it to stick good over the course of a couple hours. Kind of get some blocks or something set down on here to hold it all down. So you can use stuff like your can of acetone, your can of Weldwood, your spray can. Just grab some heavy stuff and set on it so that it'll hold some weight down on it. Then come back after everything has set up and we'll check on it here in just a minute. After everything has sat and is hardened up good, you should be able to come along and kind of pull at all the edges and it shouldn't peel back up. At that point, it's set, you're ready to go riding. If you have any spots that do tend to peel up a little bit, kind of peek under, the adhesive may not be 100% set. You may need to put some pressure on there and let it stay until it dries. Or it may be that you missed that spot. Just get your brush and work a little in, and pretty much that's all there is to it. You can use this for sticking down your mats that are peeling off, or installing new mats if they don't already come with adhesive on them. So hopefully this has been helpful to you, and thanks for watching.